Distinguished participants, dear children, friends, and colleagues, it's a pleasure to join you today for this timely regional discussion on the role and importance of child helplines, as investing in children's protection and well-being is needed more than ever. And child helplines are an essential part of building a safe, protective, and empowering environment for children. Reflecting on the current situation facing children globally, I would like to share three key messages. Ending violence against children cannot wait. Worldwide, including in Africa and in MENA regions, violence against children is increasing due to increasing and multidimensional crises. When faced with violence, children need somewhere to turn. They need someone to talk to. They need a safe pathway to seek advice, to get support, and to help them stay resilient. Child helplines can provide this safe pathway to all children. Child Helpline International latest report clearly shows how Child Helpline experience close to a 20% increase in contacts every year. Violence and mental health continue to be the main issues on which children contact helplines. With increasing violence caused by the ongoing crisis worldwide, it would come as no surprise to me if these trends continued. Child helplines are needed more than ever. Child helplines play a vital role as a life-saving service for children and their families, as well as providing the opportunity to get the support they need. I commend child helplines for strengthening their methodologies, making themselves more and more accessible, empowering children by providing an indispensable channel to access safety and protection. Child Helpline International latest reports data coincides with the evidence that has been collected through POPE protection through online participation, of which Child Helpline International is an active partner. POPE is aiming to understand how children are increasingly accessing protection and support through digital channels, including through child helplines. Even though the phone is still the most used channel by children to connect with services, we are seeing how every day more helplines and official services are also activating online systems to help protect children. POP collected data from almost 100 countries, 22.4% from Africa and 11.9% from MENA, specifically from child helpline using the internet to support children. And these are some of the key insights we found out. In Africa, almost 70% are run by civil societies, while in MENA, the largest entities running the service are public and government-led institutions, with 53% followed by services run by civil society at 47%. In Africa, 80% are using both social media chat functionality and telephone. In MENA, more than 82% are using the telephone, followed by 70% accessing the services through a digital app. In both regions, helplines are used to report cases of abuse and violence and also serve as a means of getting information and support. The lack of access of resources, of capacities, and well-staffed services are highlighted as challenges that should be addressed to make those services more efficient and more accessible to all. Child helpline must be considered as a key element of child and gender-sensitive protection systems and duly connected with all other services, including education, health, welfare, law enforcement, justice, and social protection. To this end, there is a need to strengthen the capacities of helpline services, as they are one of the main entry points to child protection system. And most importanently, all action and measures to protect children must be informed by children, as they know better when and how the systems fail. Children need to be listened to, involved, and empowered as part of the solution. This is the only and the most effective way to ensure their full protection. Dear participants, dear friends, the world made a promise to end all forms of violence against children by 2030. With less than 7 years, we need to do more, better, and faster for and with children. This regional consultation provides an opportunity to come together to share information and experience in view to strengthening and scaling up child helplines in Africa and MENA regions. I would like to commend the partnership with the African Union that will strengthen cross-sectoral child protection services that are accessible to all children, leaving no one behind. And child helplines are a key component of these integrated services that need to be strengthened too at a larger scale. I want to reiterate my full support to the helpline workers and specialists responding daily and carrying out the critical work of listening to children, informing and guiding them, and providing them with the support needed. Thank you for your attention.